In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix mobile data not working on your iPhone. If you are having trouble connecting to the internet using mobile data on your iPhone, there are a few steps you can take to try and resolve the issue. To get started, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access the Control Center. Then enable Airplane Mode. Wait for a few seconds, and then tap the Airplane Mode button again to disable Airplane Mode. This action will refresh your network connections and may help restore your mobile data functionality. If that didn't work, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap General. After that, scroll down again, and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. And then select Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode. Then tap Reset Network Settings one more time. This will reset all network-related settings on your device, including saved Wi-Fi networks and cellular settings. After resetting the network settings, restart your iPhone and check if the issue with mobile data has been resolved. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.